Ugh. I can't believe I got grounded for yelling at the cashier at the A+ convenience store last year. What should I do now? I know. I'm going to throw flour at Jasmine at Sota Shine Express Car Wash because I hate Disney characters. Yeah. That's what I will do. Ha 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 ha. Well, without further ado, time to head to Sota Shine Express Car Wash. Perfect. I wiped off all of the wet spots from my 2025 Toyota Corolla hatchback. Alright. Time to leave Sota Shine Express Car Wash and head back to Agrabah. Look what we have here. Jasmine has just finished wiping off all of the wet spots from her 2025 Toyota Corolla hatchback, and she is about to leave Sota Shine Express Car Wash to head back to Agrabah. Well, she is in for a big surprise. I will throw flour at her in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Someone threw flour at me, and now I'm all covered in flour. Who threw flour at me? It was me, Jasmine. I threw flour at you because I hate Disney characters like you. Miss D. Are you kidding me right now? I can't believe you threw flour at me here at Sota Shine Express Car Wash. You know that throwing flour at people is very insulting and humiliating. Now I'm all covered in flour and I have to take a bath when I get back to Agrabah thanks to you.
Oh my gosh. Jasmine. What happened to you? Why are you all covered in flour?
Well, Tommy. Ms. D threw flour at me here at Sota Shine Express Car Wash. It happened after I finished wiping off all of the wet spots from my 2025 Toyota Corolla hatchback and before I left the car wash to head back to Agrabah.
Miss D. How dare you throw flour at Jasmine here at Sota Shine Express Car Wash? You know that throwing flour at people is very insulting and humiliating. Now Jasmine is all covered in flour and she has to take a bath when she gets back to Agrabah thanks to you. That's it. Scram out of this area and go home right now while I call your parents about this.
No.
She is so grounded. Thank you for telling us. Goodbye. Ms. D. We can't believe you threw flour at Jasmine at Sota Shine Express Car Wash. You know that throwing flour at people is very insulting and humiliating.
I concur with your father. Now Jasmine is all covered in flour and she has to take a bath when she gets back to Agrabah thanks to you. For that, you will be grounded for 6 days. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Whatever you say, Mom and Dad.